Raindrops falling from the sky, little baby wonders why. Clouds so dark, the wind so strong, pitter-patter all day long. Drip, drop, hear the sound, tiny puddles on the ground. Baby waits, can't go play, wishing rain would go away. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Baby wants to jump and run, play outside and have some fun. Splashing puddles spinning round, raindrops dancing on the ground. Soft cool breeze and sky so bright, sunshine peeking warm and light. Now the rainbow shines so high, colors painting all the sky. Smiling baby, arms spread wide, laughing in the world outside.